an overview of Fast Track Room Booking version 5. I'm logged in as Gary Jones and I'm going to use Visual Booking to select the Bristol office and see all the bookings for today. Here I can see all the rooms in the Bristol building and their bookings for the current date. If I go back to the main menu and click Visual Booking, you can see it's already set to the Cardiff building, which is Gary Jones's favourite building. Today is a busy day for the Cardiff building and tomorrow is even busier. If we hover over the bookings, we can see basic details. We can also see the room type and how many seats there are. If we hover over the information button, we can see information about the rooms. And if we click the information button, we can see pictures or videos or any other kind of media object which will help us understand more about the rooms. You can see the room details. Over on the left hand side we have the action buttons to add a booking to the basket, make a quick personal booking and book the room right now. If I click on a booking, the overview of refurbishment options, this is where we can edit and cancel bookings. And if we scroll down, we can see we've got resources, catering, simple items and multiple choice menus, equipment information and attendees. Now let's book some rooms and desks using quick personal booking. Back to the current day, we're going to book these slots. So we set the time, starts at 3 o'clock, ends at 4 o'clock. We just click the little man and our name appears in the booking. Bookings with just a few clicks. Let's book the Plantagenet room. And there we have our Gary Jones bookings. Next we'll make a full service booking with catering and equipment resources. We'll book the Saxe-Coburg room. Starting at 3 o'clock, ending at 5 o'clock. We click the Book Now icon. And here we have the details form. The meeting title is going to be Project Analysis. It's an internal meeting. There are going to be 6 people present, booked by Gary Jones and also booked for Gary Jones. We click Save and Add Resources, and here we see the various types of resources. We click Catering, start adding beverages. Coffee for 6, tea for 6, water for 6. We also have multiple choice menus, where in this case we can pick any 3 pizza toppings, so we're having 1 pepperoni and 2 spicy beef. You can see the costs for each of the items. Now let's add some equipment. We need 1 item, which is an in-focus data projector. So these are the actual scarce items. I choose the one I want and continue. Again, it's picked the projector and told me the cost. I save and finish. Look at today's bookings and I can see the slot for the project analysis booking. If I click on it, the booking details pop up and I can see the catering and equipment. The catering report is a console view for staff and service providers. If we set the dates to the current day, scroll down, we'll see all the required details for the booking, the pizza, coffee, water and tea in the Saxe-Coburg room. We've also got a done button so the staff can actually say they've finished each item and it drops off the list. The visual booking range view allows us to book multiple rooms over multiple days. It's a familiar view, but we have filters. We can see details, but we can also filter. If I set the date range to today and tomorrow, I can see all of my rooms for those days. If I filter on conf room type, I see only the conference rooms, the Tudor room and the Julii room. If I extend the date range, here I'm looking at all of the bookings for the conference rooms for 2 weeks. Now let's make some quick bookings, starting at 2 o'clock, going to 3 o'clock. These are the dates we want and the rooms we want. We simply click the book icon. Again, the Gary Jones name appears in the booking slot. We've made 3 bookings in a few seconds. We can specify a meeting title, such as Project Review, and then when we make the booking, the title appears instead of the person's name. If I click the booking slot, the details appear, and this is where I would cancel or change something about the booking, such as the end time, so we've extended it. And that was the overview of Fast Track Room Booking version 5.